Hello, and thank you for participating in the Transition Skills Summary. Your participation yields valuable information about children transitioning from preschool to kindergarten. This presentation will walk through how to enter student marks in the TSS. If you have any technical issues or questions, please email datateam@seisummit.org. To access the TSS, start by going to the First Things First website at summitcountyfirstthingsfirst.org. Click on TSS homepage in the top right corner. Next, you will be taken to the TSS homepage, which should look like this. Scroll down to the login. Put in your username and password and hit enter. Once you are logged in, scroll down to the bottom where you will find the gradebook links. Each center to which you are assigned will have a different link, so be sure to select the link associated with the correct center. Next, you will be directed to the gradebook homepage, which should have this image at the top. Under the header, there are some directions for the 3 different ways to enter results. We will go over each of these options. Additionally, you will find some resources here. The TSS guidance document provides in-depth material about each of the domains and skills and helps guide you through entering marks for students. The TSS reference worksheet is a mock paper version of the TSS that you can use for reference when completing the TSS. Please note that you cannot submit this worksheet instead of the online TSS. The TSS must be completed online. We have included here a key on the homepage for your reference when doing quick editing of TSS results. The first option for editing is to scroll down below the key and you will see all your students listed under each domain. You can hover over the question mark to see what the specific skill is that you will be editing. When you are ready to enter or update a student's scores, click on Edit in the right-hand column for the student whose scores you wish to edit. This will open up the Edit view for that student. Change the scores to reflect the student's performance in those specific skills and hit Update when you are finished. If you have chosen the student in error, or you need to edit skills in a different domain, click Cancel and the scores will remain the same as they were before. You can also edit multiple students at the same time. When you click on Grid Edit, it will change the grid to look and feel similar to a spreadsheet. You can toggle back and forth between different students in this view. Click on the drop-down menus for each of the skills under that domain and it will present you with each of the options N, D, or M for that skill. Just like in the other view, you can hover your cursor over the question mark bubble to reveal which skill you are editing. When you are finished, click on Exit Grid Edit and all your changes will be saved. If you wish to edit one student only, but multiple skills at the same time, begin by selecting a student name from the drop-down box at the top of the page near where you logged in. Choose the student you wish to edit and click Search. There are a few different ways to do this. You can edit the student's skills in each domain in the Quick Edit option like you did in Step 1. The other option is you can click on the student's name and it will bring up this screen to the right. You will be able to see all domains and skills in one screen. If you select the second screen rather than editing in the grid, you will need to save manually by hitting Submit when you are finished. This concludes the presentation. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to send an email to our data team for assistance. Thank you again for being a part of what makes TSS work.